If you want Australian PR without a job offer, without sponsorship, and with the freedom to live anywhere in Australia, then this visa might be the easiest pathway to Australia PR in 2026. Today we're talking about the Australia Subclass 189 Skilled Independent Visa, one of the most powerful immigration pathways offered by Department of Home Affairs Australia. And in this video, I'll explain who this visa is for, the points system explained simply, required documents, step-by-step application process, and how you can maximize your chances of getting invited. Let's get straight into it. What is the Subclass 189 visa? The Australia Subclass 189 Skilled Independent Visa is a permanent residency visa for skilled workers. And the biggest advantage? You do not need a job offer, employer sponsorship, or state nomination. This means you can apply independently based on your skills, education, and work experience. Once approved, you get direct permanent residency in Australia. That means you can live anywhere in Australia, work for any employer, study, access healthcare through Medicare Australia, sponsor family members, and eventually apply for Australian citizenship. This is why many people call it the best skilled migration visa in Australia. Major benefits of the Subclass 189 visa. Let's talk about why this visa is so popular among immigrants. 1. Direct permanent residency. Unlike temporary visas, the Subclass 189 gives you PR immediately. No temporary stage. 1. No job offer required. Most countries require a job offer first, but this visa allows skilled workers to move to Australia without an employer sponsor. Next, you'll get freedom to live anywhere. Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth. You are not restricted to any state. Your family can also come with you. You can include spouse, children, and dependent family members. And they also get permanent residency. Who is this visa for? The Australia Subclass 189 Skilled Independent Visa is designed for skilled professionals whose occupations are in demand. Some of the most common professions include software engineers, IT professionals, nurses, civil engineers, electricians, accountants, teachers, and construction managers. These occupations appear on the Skilled Occupation List Australia. If your job is on this list, you may qualify. Basic eligibility requirements. To apply for this visa, you must meet several criteria. 1. Age requirement. You must be under 45 years old at the time of invitation. Next, occupation on skilled list. Your job must be listed on the skilled occupation list. There's also a skills assessment to be done. You must get your qualifications assessed by a relevant authority. For example, Australian Computer Society for IT professionals, Engineers Australia for engineers, CPA Australia for accountants. This confirms that your education and experience match Australian standards. Next comes English language requirement. You must prove English proficiency through tests like IELTS, PTE, Academic, or TOEFL, IBT. Higher scores increase your points. You'll also need a minimum point score. You must score at least 65 points in the skilled migration point system. But realistically, successful applicants often have 80, 90 plus points. Let's understand how these points are calculated. Australia PR points system explained. The points test determines whether you receive an invitation. Points are awarded based on several factors. For age, those between 18 to 24 years, 25 points. Those between 25 to 32 years, 30 points. Those between 33 to 39 years, 25 points. And those between 40 to 44 years, 15 points. Coming to English proficiency, competent English, 0 points. Proficient English, 10 points. Superior English, 20 points. Next come skilled work. Experience points for jobs done outside Australia, 3 to 5 years. 5 points, 5 to 8 years, 10 points. And 8+ years, 15 points. Points for education, diploma, 10 points. Bachelor's degree, 15 points. And PhD, 20 points. You can gain extra points for partner skills, studying in Australia, professional year programs, and regional study. These factors can significantly increase your chances of getting invited. Documents required. Before applying, prepare these documents: identity documents, passport, birth certificate, education documents, degree certificates, transcripts, work experience proof, employment letters, salary slips, reference letters, skills assessment, official assessment from the relevant authority, English test results, results from tests like IELTS or PTE, police clearance, background checks from countries where you have lived, medical examination, health checks approved by the Department of Home Affairs Australia, step-by-step application process. Now let's go through the complete application process. Step 1. Check occupation list. First, check if your job appears on the skilled occupation list. This determines eligibility. Step 2. Get skills assessment. Submit your qualifications and work experience to the relevant assessing authority. This process usually takes 1 to 3 months. Step 3. Take an English test. Take an approved English test like IELTS or PTE. Try to score high because better scores increase your points. Step 4. Submit expression of interest. Create an EOI through SkillSelect Australia immigration system. This is where you enter your qualifications, add work experience, declare your point score. Your profile enters the immigration selection pool. Step 5. Wait for invitation. The Australian government periodically sends invitations to candidates with the highest points. This process can take a few weeks to several months. Step 6. Submit visa application. Once invited, you have 60 days to submit your visa application. You will upload all documents and pay the visa fee. Step 7. Medical and police checks. You must complete health examination, police clearance. Step 8. Visa decision processing time can vary, but many applicants receive a decision within 6 to 12 months. Once approved, you officially become a permanent resident of Australia. Cost of the visa. The base application fee for the Australia Subclass 189 visa is approximately about $46.40 Australian dollars for the main applicant. Additional costs may include English tests, skills assessments, medical exams, and document translations. Pro tips to increase your chances. If you want to maximize your chances, 1. Improve your English score. Higher English scores can give you 20 points. Next, gain more work experience. Experience increases your ranking in the pool. Apply early, because age points decrease after 32. And choose the right occupation. Some occupations receive invitations faster than others. Final thoughts. The Australia Subclass 189. Skilled independent visa is one of the best immigration pathways in the world. It offers direct permanent residency without any job offer, freedom to live anywhere in Australia, access to healthcare and education, and a pathway to Australian citizenship. But remember, this is a competitive visa, so preparing your profile carefully is essential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest immigration updates, and comment below with your point score. I'll try to tell you whether you have a strong chance for Australia PR. Also, check out my other videos on Canada, Europe, and Australia work visas for 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.